Hi everybody, I'm Cricri. Welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Peruvian creme brulee, or better known as leche asada. This Peruvian dessert is so delicious and super easy to prepare. You don't need a lot of ingredients, so let's get started. In a pan, add 2 cups of whole milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of condensed milk. Mix it well. Cook the mixture on low heat, stirring constantly until it starts boiling. When it reaches this point, we're gonna set it aside to cool so we can move on with the next part of the recipe. In a bowl, add 6 eggs. The eggs play an important role in this recipe because they provide structure and stability to the mixture. With a whisk, mix the eggs. Avoid overmixing, otherwise our mixture will get a lot of air in it. This will affect the texture and complicate the cooking process. Mix the eggs with the milk mixture. Make sure the milk mixture has cooled down completely, otherwise it may cook the eggs as you combine them. Mix until everything is well combined. Using another bowl and a colander, strain the mixture to get rid of all the egg residue. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. On this channel, I also make crafts and DIY videos. I will add a link above so you can check them out. To accelerate the process, use a spoon to stir as it gets strained. Keep stirring until only the egg residue remains. Repeat the process one more time. This dessert is very popular in Peru and other South American countries. It is believed that it has an European origin and it could have appeared with the Spanish colonizers, as Europe is known for very similar desserts. Place your individual oven-safe bowls in a casserole dish and spoon the mixture into the glass bowls. This recipe makes 6 servings. Depending on the size of your bowls, you may need an additional casserole dish. Pour warm water into the casserole dish until the water level is slightly below the rim of the bowl. This process prevents the milk from boiling and it helps it cook evenly without bubbles. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. This is how they look when they're cooked. Leave it in the oven for an additional 15 minutes to brown the tops. And they are all brown. I like to get them out of the oven at this point. Take them out of the oven and let them cool. Be very careful not to burn yourself. Once they're cool, put them in the fridge for at least 2 hours. They are now ready and they look divine. This dessert was super easy to make and it didn't require a lot of ingredients. It's truly amazing. You will love it.
Delicioso.
That was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. See you next week. Bye!